What's good, everybody? Brian Tong here, and you knew it was probably coming. The Fold is on hold. That's right, Samsung is officially delaying the release of the $2,000 Galaxy Fold past its expected April 26th launch date after it told media outlets that the Fold needs further improvements before they push it out to consumers globally, and it will continue to evaluate feedback from reviewers and do further testing on the phone. Now, Samsung says, we plan to announce the new release date in the coming weeks. I know it's a bummer, but I still gotta say it. Come on, son. That's right, it does bring back a little PTSD from the Note 7 days. It's not nearly as bad, like not even close, but it's disappointing for Samsung and for tech fans. If you haven't been following it, after just a couple days of use, reviewers with the first Galaxy Fold units were experiencing a variety of screen issues, with multiple people first peeling off the protective layer of the screen. It wasn't supposed to be, and a Samsung rep told me they made it clear, but look, if reviewers did it and multiple reviewers did it, consumers would do it too. In response to that, Samsung said, we will also enhance the guidance on care and use of the display, including the protective layer, so that our customers get the most out of their Galaxy Fold. Now, in other situations, screens started malfunctioning when they were flickering and then stopped working completely, and others had what Samsung called substances that got inside the display and affected the performance. Now, outlets like The Verge found debris had made its way into the hinge and underneath the inside of the display before their Fold completely stopped working after a day or two of normal use. Now, to that, Samsung said, initial findings from the inspection of reported issues on the display show that they could be associated with impact on the top and bottom exposed areas of the hinge. There was also an instance where substances found inside the device affected the display performance. We will take measures to strengthen the display protection. So yeah, it just wasn't pretty at all. Samsung is obviously doing the right thing. I mean, this is the right call, and it's better that it happened now. Think about what if these units were already on sale to the public. But honestly, did they really not test these enough? Come on, multiple people had multiple issues, and not just small ones. We're talking big ones, as in the phone stopped working after a day or two. I was genuinely excited for this product, and from the beginning, I celebrated the innovation and how Samsung was just pushing the envelope forward with the Galaxy Fold. I still want to see a new form factor like this succeed and future ones, and there are going to be strong opinions about this. There already are. We know the Apple fanboys. They're going to shout, Apple always does it best, and Apple always makes sure it's ready to go with a polished product. Y'all know who you are, but are you sure? Are you really sure about that? Like, you really want me to do this? Like, I'm just going to refrain from going down the list for you as well. It happens on both sides, and you can either scream out loud and pick a side, but I'm always picking the side of being a fan of tech and innovation, just like as a whole, because we all love this stuff. Now, Samsung's going to go back and solve some of these issues. The Wall Street Journal says it won't hit shelves until sometime in May, but there's no way we're talking May if they really want to do this right. My guess is that it has to be at least a few months. It won't be just 1 month to get this right. So Samsung, make sure you do it right. All right, I want to hear you in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. Was it the right move for Samsung? Is this a win for Apple? Are you mad about this? Are you just mad in general and would like to vent all of your frustrations in life on a YouTube comment section? Because we've all seen that. All right, now let me know how you feel. I don't even know if the Fold will make it out to market before the new Note 10 now. This really isn't a quick fix, but we'll just wait for the new official release date from Samsung themselves. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, subs up, and hit that bell to get a notification when my next video drops. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Laters.